Welcome to Baby Care by Tina. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to breastfeed a newborn correctly, especially for first-time moms. Breastfeeding is a natural process, but it can feel challenging in the beginning. With the right technique and a little patience, it becomes a beautiful bonding experience for both mother and baby. First, let's talk about preparation. Before breastfeeding, always wash your hands and find a comfortable, quiet place. Sit in a relaxed position with good back support, or lie on your side if that feels easier. Bring your baby close to you so that you are tummy to tummy. Comfort is very important, because tension can make feeding harder. Next is positioning your baby correctly. Hold your baby so their head, neck, and body are in a straight line. Your baby's nose should be opposite your nipple, not directly on it. This helps the baby open their mouth wide and latch properly. You can support your baby's neck and shoulders with your hand, allowing the head to tilt back slightly. Now comes the most important part, latching. Gently touch your nipple to your baby's upper lip. This will encourage your baby to open their mouth wide. When the mouth opens like a yawn, quickly bring your baby to your breast, not the breast to the baby. Make sure your baby takes in not just the nipple, but a good portion of the areola as well. A deep latch helps prevent nipple pain and allows your baby to get enough milk. During feeding, watch and listen for signs that your baby is feeding well. You may see slow, deep sucking and hear swallowing sounds. Your baby's cheeks should look round, not sucked in. Breastfeeding should not be painful. If you feel pain, gently break the latch by inserting a clean finger into the corner of your baby's mouth and try again. Allow your baby to feed on one breast until it feels softer, then offer the other breast. This ensures your baby gets both foremilk and hind milk, which are important for growth and satisfaction. Feed your baby on demand, usually every 2 to 3 hours, or whenever your baby shows hunger cues like rooting, sucking fingers, or lip smacking. After feeding, gently burp your baby by holding them upright against your shoulder or sitting them on your lap and patting their back softly. This helps release trapped air and keeps your baby comfortable. Remember, every mother and baby are different. It's okay if it takes time to learn. Trust your body, stay calm, and don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Thank you for watching Baby Care by Tina. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby care tips.